Hey, I'm Fish. We're going for a bike ride, and I got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with me. Like they say, the early bird catches the worm. It's like 6 to 8 seconds I count. The camera comes on, and I keep quiet, then I say something. And I wish the Insta360 had a quicker boot up. And I always ask that question to someone if they have the Nano. How fast is it from off to record and the next time you turn it on? When I watch these videos, and yeah, I watch people's channels and they do a great job, don't get me wrong. It's just that for me, these are the things I look at. Talk about the Go Ultra, and all of a sudden, the Nano's in hand, and they talk about the Nano. And then we're going to hear how the Nano is the best one for their workflow. And I'm happy for you. I'm just heading down towards the end. And grab the 360 Ace Pro 2, and I alternate between my cameras. And I have a good time using them. They both do the same thing. They grab the shot. They do exactly what I want. It seems to be darker. Not meaning it's lighter later, just darker in the areas I go with. And yeah, I should turn myself around. I hope that's better. And it's not much brighter, but I guess you get the idea. Now, I've been looking and researching and finding the information I need, and it becomes quite difficult in today's times. I'm looking for one particular part. It's not made here to be sold in the United States of America, and I will have to go over to North America to get it, and the shipping is quite expensive. It's almost like paying for twice. But if you want it, you go get it. What are you going to do? Cry about it? And no, it's not about a DJI camera or any camera. It's about a product. Now, I am going to be reviewing this product that goes on to a vehicle. It's a rear side louver, and it misses the glass by, I would say, 2+ millimeter, but when you center it, then it doesn't touch the glass edging, the frame. And the reason for that is plastic does expand, so it gives you that room. In your eyes, it won't look good. In somebody else's eyes, it will. It is what it is, man. So on that note of my talk, my share, my ride, my show, I gotta go meet up with Joe. I got stuff to take care of, and it's gonna be a little quiet at times. And I got things to do and get done and put up there and schedule out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. High five.